Hi and welcome to this tutorial about Simutrans. Today's topic is passenger transport. The reason why I take passenger transport now is that the mail system works well. So now is good time to work with the passenger service in this country. In the episode about mail service, I talk about star network, ring network and so on. The basic theory for passenger service is the same as the mail service. So if you are familiar with mail service, you are in a good position to understand passenger service. The difference between passenger service and mail service is that passenger service are bigger volume, so the problem are bigger. To make the job more easy, we need to see the station coverage, and here it is again how to activate station coverage. And now we have activate station coverage. At the moment I have decided to have separate system for passenger and mail. But you can actually build combined station. And I don't talk about this small combined station in towns, it's a big station. There you handle both passenger and mail at the same time. What is the right decision depends on several different factors, for example type of vehicle, space and so on, and the time in the game. But at the moment it is most suitable for me to have a separate system for mail and passenger. And to start we build a small simple station. And there should be one-way traffic so the flow go easy. I expect a lot of passenger, so I build the biggest station I can. And now I let the time go. And there they have built the station. When you build the station, there is a number of factors to take into consideration. Of course, how close to the town you build the station, but also future expansion, because at this time in the game I can transporting passenger by rail, by monorail, and in the future I will also have maglev here. Tramp or light railroad, by buses, by ship and by air. So plan for future expansion with our more high performance type of transport when you plan the station. If we take a look on this part of the town, we see that we need one more station here to cover this area. And now we need to update the line for the mail truck so they stop at the new station. And now we create a new line for the buses. And when we are back, we copy backward so they go in both directions. And a suitable name for this line. And And no line are useful without some type of transport, and in this case buses. And I start with one bus, and a big one, because I expect I can get quite a lot of passenger. And send it out. And there the bus come. As you can see, this line for buses are more or less a copy of the line for mail. So now when I'm finished with this town, I should connect this town to that main station up there. Welcome back. I have now connected the other town. So it's time to connect the national station to the national network, so the passenger can move around in the whole country. And I have already started to build a national network. And now to the bus. And I prefer a bus which are suitable for high-speed road outside the town. And there the bus come out. When it comes to small town like this, I plan to use the national line to serve the local station in the town. That is the same solution I have on the mail transport. As you now have seen, passenger transport are not much different from mail transport. Thanks for watching, and you are welcome as a subscriber. Have a nice day. In the next episode about Simutrans, we take a look on tourist passenger service, which are part of the advanced passenger services. Thank you for your time.